What is biomass? And why use it for power?
Biomass refers to organic material from plants and animals, such as wood, crop waste, or even food scraps. Biomass power plants use this renewable resource to create electricity. Unlike fossil fuels, biomass is considered more sustainable because new plants can be grown to replace what's used, making it a cleaner option for generating power.
Collecting and preparing biomass fuel.
The process begins with gathering raw materials like wood chips, agricultural residues, or dedicated energy crops. These materials are transported to the biomass power plant, where they are cleaned and sometimes dried. The biomass is then shredded or ground to a uniform size, making it easier to handle and more efficient to burn during the next steps.
Combustion, turning biomass into heat.
The prepared biomass is fed into a boiler where it is burned in a controlled environment. This combustion releases energy in the form of heat. Unlike open burning, the process is highly regulated to maximize efficiency and reduce harmful emissions. The released heat raises the temperature of water, converting it into high-pressure steam.
From steam to electricity.
The high-pressure steam produced in the boiler flows into a turbine. As the steam moves through the turbine blades, it forces them to spin. This mechanical movement turns a generator, converting kinetic energy into electrical energy. After spinning the turbine, the steam is cooled, condensed back into water, and returned to the boiler to repeat the cycle.
Emission controls and sustainability.
Modern biomass plants use filters and advanced technology to reduce pollutants like ash and gases before releasing emissions. The carbon dioxide released during burning is offset by the plants grown to produce new biomass, making these systems nearly carbon neutral. This cycle, combined with sustainable sourcing, helps reduce environmental impact compared to fossil fuels.